Hello students, let us see the concept of molarity and we'll try to cover all the formula related to molarity student. It is the number of moles of solute per liter of solution at a given temperature is called molarity. Okay. So when you talk about the student molarity, they are saying that is molarity capital M is equal to number of moles of solute and volume of solution in liter. Okay. Volume of solution in liter. This is what is the molarity. What is the unit student? Mole per liter, or you can simply mention that is capital M. Mole per liter is represented by molarity capital M. What they are saying, as temperature increases, molarity decreases. Why student? That is B proportional to T. B proportional to T. And here is volume is in the inversely proportional. So if volume will increase, the molarity will decrease. So that is temperature increases, volume increases and molarity decreases. Okay, how the formula they have mentioned is to number of moles of solute, volume of solution in liter. So N by L in liter. So if it is in the ml, we have to multiply by 1000. Next one, if you are putting the moles in the formula, so molarity is equal to given mass upon gram molecular weight into 1 by volume in liter. Okay, so W by gram molecular weight into B ml upon and multiply by 1000. So moles of solute is what student? B into what? M into B liter. Millimoles B into M into B ml. Dilution is M1 B1 is equal to M2 B2. Volume of water to be added is equal to B2 minus B1. When two solution of the same solute are mixed, molarity of solution will be what student? B1 M1 B1 plus M2 B2 upon B, and B is what student? B is B1 plus B2, that you keep in mind. When two solution of different molarity is there, so what we will do student? M1 B1 upon N1 is equal to M2 B2 upon N2. This formula also you keep in mind. If the different substances, two solution of different substance are there, and when two solution of same solute is there mixed, molarity of resulting solution like that. If the percentage weight of solute is given student, so what, how you calculate? W by W, mass percentage of solute into 10 into D divided by gram molecular weight of solute, right student? This is if the percentage by volume of solution is solute is given, so W by V volume into 10. Here density is not required and it will be that is gram molecular weight. So if the weight by volume percentage is given student, in that case you need not to see the density. In this case what we have to understand, that is density is not required. Thank you so much for watching friend.